Multifunctional must-have. The Emily Rose Deluxe Playard comes with a cozy infant bassinet with a canopy and a changing station. Easily portable. This playard is lightweight and sturdy, with an ultra-compact folding mechanism. It also comes with a carry bag for portability. Convenience-focused. The Emily Rose Deluxe Playard boasts of integrated storage compartments for all your little one's necessities. In addition, it's made of waterproof fabric that is easy to clean. Safe for your baby. This playard is JPMA certified and comes with breathable mesh sides for better airflow and visibility. Fashionable for any decor. The Emily Rose Deluxe Playard is available in 4 chic finishes: mellow yellow, galaxy blue, pink and black white. For daytime adventures and peaceful slumbers comes the multifunctional Dream on Me Emily Rose Deluxe Playard. Designed to fit the everyday family routine, this stylish playard features a cozy infant bassinet and a changing station. What's more, the versatile Emily Rose Deluxe Playard comes with integrated storage compartments to keep your little one's necessities within reach, right from birth until toddler age. The ultra-compact folding mechanism makes it easy to save space and store away, while the beautiful, fashion-first finishes make it a fit for any decor aesthetic. In addition, the safe, sturdy Emily Rose Deluxe Playard is JPMA certified and comes with a portable carry bag to take your little one exploring. Weight and height limitations. Infant bassinet. Infants under 3 months unable to roll over. Changing station. Babies under 25 pounds. Playard. Children under 30 pounds and unable to climb out. Top reviews from the United States. My daughter loves it. I got this for one of my grandsons. My daughter loves it. He is in the room with her but she can still get things done.